Okay, so when you open up Adobe Photoshop, type it in the bar at the bottom left. This is what will come up. It will say registration. You can either click register later or do not register. It will come up with this box, but we ignore that. Okay, press OK. And this is your Photoshop home screen. You have all of your tools down the side. You also have all of the tabs along the top, which you'll need. You've got some extra tabs along the top here, which I will explain later. Then you've got your windows. Okay, now the ones that you'll need the most is the history one, this one. And I'm just going to close the colour one, I'm going to close the navigator one, and I'm going to move this history one up. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger because I want to be able to see all of the things that I do. So that will come up in that box. And then this one is your layers box. You'll definitely need this one. You'll also need some of these tabs at the bottom. Okay, the new layer tab, which is just there, and the delete trash can there. Okay, so I've set up ready to use Adobe Photoshop. Next, I'm going to go to File and Open, and I'm going to go to the area where I've saved my pictures. You will have saved yours on the cloud, so you'll have to go and find yours from the cloud. And then you select and open the photos that you'd like to use. Okay, so for argument's sake, I'm going to use this. What should we go for? Let's go for this cake pop. RGB document. So RGB, that's talking about the colour. Do I want it to be RGB colours? And I'm just going to say OK. That's fine for now. So here is my picture. Now if you wanted to, you could open up another picture alongside it, but the best thing I find to do for now is just to make it large. So all I did there was I clicked on this button and it says maximize. So it's a little square, press maximize and it will open it up for you. Now my lollipops are quite small, so I'm going to find the magnifying glass, which is the zoom tool. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. If you want to zoom out, then you right click and then say, oops, right click and say zoom out. Okay, so you can click in and click out. Now, the tool that I want to bring your attention to today is the magic wand tool. Now, if you've got a photograph that has a really plain background, so this one everything's white, so it's super easy. If you've got a photo that's nice and easy and the background's all exactly the same, then you can use this magic wand tool. So you can find it in the toolbar, magic wand tool. And you can just click on that white area and it's selecting everything that's white. Okay, it's not gone in between, but everything that's, all the white that's touching, if you like, it's selected. Now I would like to delete that. I'm going to delete it. Now when you get this checkerboard pattern, that means that it's clear, it's see-through, there's nothing there. Okay, clear, see-through, nothing there. Now you get these kind of little marching ants. That's what I think they look like. They look like little ants marching around your selection. We need to deselect that. So I'm going to press on my keyboard Control and the letter D, and that will take away those marching ants. Now I need to select these sections individually and delete those too. Okay, so click on it, select it with the magic wand tool and then press delete just on your keyboard, delete, And remember that checkerboard pattern means that it is now see-through, it's transparent. And I need to get rid of those marching ants, so the buttons are Control and D, press them at the same time. So I've now got some lollipops that I can move around that have got nothing in the background, absolutely nothing in the background. Okay, so that's how to use the magic wand tool.